What if your Christmas stockings could do more than just hang on a mantel? What if they could tell a story, a cozy, warm, magical story, filled with memories, love, personality, and little details that make your home feel alive during the holidays? Stockings are one of the most nostalgic parts of Christmas decor. They carry the magic of childhood, the excitement of surprises, the sweetness of Christmas morning, and the quiet beauty of tradition. And today, we're transforming your stockings from simple decorations into heartfelt treasures. Imagine stockings made of velvet, burlap, faux fur, knitted fabric, plaid, sparkles, initials, greenery, bells, ribbon, or even completely handmade pieces that feel like gifts in themselves. This is where Christmas decor meets memory. This is where stockings become storytelling. Let's explore the most magical, creative, and beautiful Christmas stocking. Ideas to make your home feel warm, personal, and unforgettable. Why do Christmas stockings matter so much in holiday decor? Christmas stockings carry emotion. They are more than decorations. They are symbols. They represent childhood excitement, handwritten notes, early morning surprises, and the beauty of tradition that passes from one generation to the next. They hold the innocence, wonder, and warmth of Christmas morning. When you hang a stocking, you're not just adding decor, you're adding meaning. Stockings also anchor your Christmas display. They bring balance to your mantel or staircase. Their texture and color can transform a space instantly. They bring softness, warmth, and personality to your holiday style. Most of all, stockings are personal. Everyone has their own. Everyone knows which one is theirs. And that makes them one of the most memorable parts of Christmas decor, because they hold stories, not just gifts. If stockings hold a special place in your heart too, tap that like button so we can keep the Christmas magic flowing. How can you choose the perfect stocking style for your home? Choosing a stocking isn't about picking something cute, it's about choosing something that fits your holiday soul. Think about your decor style. If you love classic Christmas, choose red velvet or knitted stockings with fur trim. If your home is farmhouse or rustic, go for burlap, plaid, flannel, or stockings with wooden accents and cozy details. If your style is modern, choose minimal cream, white, faux leather, or sleek metallic stockings with subtle textures. Themes matter too. Some homes feel magical with matching stockings hanging in perfect harmony. Others feel warm and personal with each stocking being different. There is no rule, just emotion. Textures are key. Soft velvet feels luxurious. Chunky knit feels cozy. Faux fur feels wintry. Burlap feels rustic. Cotton feels simple and nostalgic. Choosing stockings is choosing the mood of your Christmas. Are you going for warmth, glam, tradition, minimalism, or a blend of everything? Let your heart decide, because the perfect stocking is the one that feels like home. Subscribe for more Christmas styling ideas that help you create a home full of warmth and wonder. How can you personalize your Christmas stockings? Personalized stockings tell stories, and they become instant heirlooms. Adding initials is one of the easiest ways to personalize. You can attach wooden letters, embroidered patches, glittery monograms, golden charms, or handmade tags tied with ribbon. Name tags made from wood, metal, fabric, or craft paper instantly transform a simple stocking into something meaningful. They make every stocking feel special and intentionally placed. You can personalize through details too. A tiny sprig of greenery tucked into the cuff, a bell tied with twine, a bow in your favorite color, or a charm that reflects personality. Personalization doesn't need to be loud. Sometimes the smallest detail is what makes the biggest impact. These touches create stockings that feel unique, personal, loved. They are the pieces people hold on to year after year. Check the description for the stocking tags and monogram ideas featured in this video. How can you style your mantel with stockings for a magical display? A mantel becomes the heart of Christmas when stockings hang from it. And styling it beautifully creates a moment of pure holiday magic. Start with your garland. Whether flocked, green, eucalyptus, or mixed, drape it naturally so it cascades softly across the mantel. Let it spill over the edges like snow slowly sliding off a rooftop. Add fairy lights woven through the greenery, glowing softly behind the stockings. The warm light creates a magical halo around the entire display. Once your base is glowing, hang your stockings with sturdy hooks, elegant bronze hangers, or rustic wooden pegs. Give each stocking a little breathing space so they fall gently and naturally. Fill the top of the mantel with candles, lanterns, wooden houses, metallic accents, or winter stems. Create height variation so the stockings hang beneath a glowing, layered scene. A beautifully styled stocking mantel becomes the centerpiece of your holiday home, warm, inviting, and full of cozy Christmas spirit. Check the description for all the mantel styling pieces shown in this setup. How can you create DIY stockings on a budget? DIY stockings carry the deepest emotion. They're handmade, unique, imperfect, and full of love. And Dollar Tree, thrift finds, or scrap fabrics make amazing materials. You can sew stockings from old sweaters, flannel shirts, plaid blankets, or leftover fabric. The texture of these materials gives your stockings charm and warmth. No craft skill required. Simple cuts and glue can make magic too. Add embellishments like faux fur trim, metallic ribbon, lace, rope, or bells. Paint wooden letters, attach handmade tags, or stencil names with craft paint. Even a plain Dollar Tree stocking can transform with a few thoughtful details. A piece of ribbon, a sprig of greenery, or a charm tucked into the cuff. DIY stockings tell the sweetest Christmas story because they carry your time, your creativity, and your love. Save this video to your playlist so you can revisit the DIY ideas while crafting. How can you hang stockings without a mantel? No mantel? No problem. Stockings can hang anywhere with creativity. Use a blanket ladder and drape stockings down the rungs for a cozy farmhouse look. Hang a wooden rod on the wall with hooks and turn it into a stocking gallery. Decorate a staircase railing with greenery and place stockings along the banister. You can even hang stockings on a sideboard, console table, shelving unit, or the foot of a bed. Some people love using command hooks under windowsills or along entryway walls. The beauty of stockings is that they adapt. They don't need a mantle. They only need a place to bring magic, warmth, and personality to your home. Check the description for creative stocking holders and ladder displays used in this video. How can you fill stockings beautifully without overspending? Stocking stuffers don't need to be extravagant. They just need to feel thoughtful. Start with cozy items like socks, cocoa packets, scented candles, keychains, ornaments, lip balms, notepads, or tiny accessories. Mix in personal touches like handwritten notes, favorite snacks, small gadgets, or self-care items. For children, Dollar Tree and small shops offer toys, crafts, stickers, books, and fun surprises. Even adults love practical items, mini lotions, tech accessories, teas, candies, or beauty minis. The goal isn't the cost, it's the feeling. Stockings are about joy, surprise, and love wrapped in small packages. Check the description for my stocking filler ideas and budget-friendly finds. And that is how you turn Christmas stockings into magical decor, full of story, warmth, personality, and tradition. Stockings are small, but their meaning is immense. They carry love. They carry memories. They carry the heart of Christmas. This year, decorate your stockings with intention. Let them glow. Let them tell your story. Let them bring joy into your home and into every heart that lives there. Merry Christmas. May your stockings overflow with love, warmth, and unforgettable moments.